What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how you can get ingots in Palworld. It's actually super simple. Refined ingots are the level 2 version of iron that you can cook in improved furnaces. You'll need to be at least level 34 to get yourself an improved furnace, but when you do so, you can use it to craft refined metal axes, pickaxes, spears, weapons, and many more things. On top of this, it's your mid-tier metal all the way up until you need Pal metal later on, but that's quite a bit more advanced. For now, in order to get yourself refined ingots, you'll need to craft one of these and stick it down in your base. On top of this, you'll also need coal and more raw ore. You can navigate around until you eventually find ore rocks, for which you can mine them up very easily and pick up raw ore. So I'll quickly just chop up some of this. For each 2 ore, you'll only get 1 refined ingot out of it, much like making normal ingots. Though, there's one extra thing that you need, and that is coal. In order to find coal, there's 2 major locations, though the first one would really be this desert just over here near the center of the map. I'd recommend you navigate across here and visit either this section up here or this section over here. You can see coordinates in the far bottom left of this map screen. Simply navigate across there, and when you get to either of these locations, you should find these big dark rocks. These are coal ore deposits. Navigate across to them and mine up quite a bit, as you'll need 1 coal ore per ingot that you're going to craft. It's very quick to get though, as it takes a ton of damage and drops quite a few in one go. Once we've collected a handful, you can navigate back to your base. When you get back to your base, simply place down an improved furnace, and inside of it, you'll see 1 new recipe, which is the refined ingot. All you need is ore and coal. Unfortunately, you can't use charcoal, which you can also craft here. It needs to be normal coal you pick up from deposits around the world. When you select it, you can craft 1 of them, which takes 2 ore and 2 coal to create just 1. It's a relatively expensive resource, but if you go around collecting quite a bit, preparing yourself, you can create a ton of this very easily. Now, I'd recommend having not just a typical Fox Parks, but rather the upgraded PAL, which is all the way down here, the RSOX. There's probably another one that accomplishes the same thing, possibly even faster, that I haven't discovered just yet, but for now, this seems to cook it maybe about twice as fast as the default starting Fox Parks. Anyways, you now know how to create yourself refined ingots. If you'd like to learn about PAL ingots, you'll find a link to that in the description down below. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.